Hello, you beautiful people. Mr. Wonderful here. Here we have a 1987 100 Lira Turkish coin. I've done a couple of Turkish coins before, but with the centre part. So this is 1987. So what happened in 1987? Well, in 1987, the Iran-Contra scandal, the stock market crash known as Black Monday, and the first Super Bowl victory for the New York Giants. Pope John Paul II visited the United States, and Aretha Franklin became the first woman inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. There you go. Bit of useless information for you. Right, let's punch a hole in it. I'm going to use a 1/2 inch punch because it's quite a big coin. Hope everybody's feeling dandy here today. I'm feeling rather... I'm feeling rather gorgeous today. Right, okay. Let's go for Big Bertha. It's bloody gorgeous. Right. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. And if you'd like to leave a comment, I answer all my comments. So, come on. Hit me with some comments. Hit me with your rhythm stick. Hit me. Hit me. Right. Let's clean it up. Christy Burr. Okie dokie, that's nice and clean. So, we now want to give it a bit of love and affection with Bernie, the fire starter. Okie dokie. Oh, okie okie dokie. Guess what? I still haven't filled my cup up. Right. Let's dry it off. I'm going to get out our diamond block. And we're going to go for... Well, it's got to be this side, isn't it? You've got the crescent moon and the star. And a few sort of laurel leaves, or whatever they are. Some twigs. You've still got the date there, which is good. Right, I think we need a biggish one. And a ball bearing. We nip over. It's a big red. Give it a 1-2. And then we'll go over and get ourselves a 17-degree folding die. And we'll give it another 1-2. One, two. Right, what we got? How's it looking? I think it needs a little bit of love. Emma. Just to make sure. There you go. Beautiful. Right. I think I'll give it a bit more love. That's good enough. Good enough for the girls' we date. There you go. Right, let's break out another piece of kitchen roll. I'm going to go over to spike. Right, what we got? This is quite a big coin as well. Hopefully I don't have to use a Swedish wrap on it. You just want to get that bow out of it. Let's have a quick gander. Yeah. See, that bow is still in it. You want this top part to touch that part. Yeah, we should be lucky. Sorry, bear. No Swedish wrap on this coin. That's a shame, isn't it? Touch more. There's still a little bit of a bow, but we've got quite a bit to get rid of it, so no Swedish wrap. Oh, I like using Swedish wrap. I don't mind using them now, I must admit. It's got a lot easier. It just turns a, 15-20 minute video into like a half an hour one, sometimes longer. Which my girlfriend there has to cut and edit and swear at, and she's a star player. There you go, it's mostly cone shaped. Let's take it all the way. Let's go crazy. And this will end up being a size 13. Perfect for me. Well, thereabouts anyway. Right. So we'll break out Bernie again. Okie dokie. Is there a lip? Yes, there is. A little bit of a lip there, see it? Need to cut it out. That's good. Right, let's go to the bottom end of spike. Put the big one in. Put his big brother in. There he is. There's a little bit there. Just make sure it's nice and square. That's pretty good. Right, let's break out Kate. Oh yeah. Okay, there you go. Got the orange peel effect, which I don't like, but it is what it is. You got the text on the inside. That's why I used the kitchen roll. Right, let's give it some love with a bit of a polish. If you don't like the polish, I can always go over it again with God, what a mess. Right, that's a good idea to put in Elton John first, wouldn't it? Right. Ouch, that's really warm. It's a bit hot today. If you're looking for a custom ring, no problem, happy to make you one. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. You can send me your own coins. You can mail me at yourfingermyring at proton.me. M for mousetrap, E for exercise, you know. Right. What we got? Yeah, it's come better than I was expecting. Got the date on it, got the laurel leaves, crescent moon, yeah. You got the text on the inside still, hence the kitchen roll. There you go. It's a size, I'd say 13 again. It's over 13 and a quarter. It just fits this finger perfectly. Thanks for your help, your support, your comments, your likes, your not likes. And if you haven't subscribed, there's a little button, bottom right hand corner of this video. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and stuff happens. So thank you all so much, and God willing, if it all still here, I'll see you tomorrow. So bye bye.